Guys, welcome back. So I decided to take the boys outside today because we got about 2 or 3 inches of snow last night. So I thought I'd take them on a little adventure, take them out with their sled that they got for Christmas, use their snowball maker since we have some actually fresh snow and it's pretty light and fluffy. I got all the snowballing done, so I decided to take them on a little adventure in the backyard, through the woods, and I thought I'd take you along with us. The Wisconsin weather is pretty insane. We went from 51-degree weather to sheer ice storm, and now we have this beautiful snow winter weather. So I thought we'd take advantage of it, take the boys outside and just have a little fun. I thought I'd take you along with us. All right, let's go on an adventure. Brother's face. Can we pull you around? You like dinosaurs, right?
Yeah. Snow guys, right?
Ugh. All right, that's it for today, guys. We're heading inside to have some hot chocolate and lunch. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.